No warning.
Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Robeson County in southeastern North Carolina, northwestern Columbus County in southeastern North Carolina, southeastern Millen County in northeastern South Carolina, north central Horry County in northeastern South Carolina, northeastern Marion County in northeastern South Carolina until 6:45 p.m.
Let's open my window if it's like not so. Okay. Let's go. Let's open this crap. It's gotta be very careful. Oh, the storm is already here, and there's literally no alert.
Locations impacted include Chippewa, Fair Bluff, Lakeview, Boardman, Kemper, Cherry Grove, Evergreen, Barnesville, Southeastern Community College, Nichols, Cerro Gordo, and Marietta. For your protection,
there's lightning.
Interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please send your reports of hail or wind damage, including trees or large limbs down, by calling the National Weather Service Office in Wilmington at 1-800-697-3901. The following is a special weather statement for the following county: Robeson, North Carolina. A strong thunderstorm will impact northern Robeson County through 6:30.
Oh, why did it?
At 5:39 p.m., Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm near Maxton, or 10 miles southwest of...
Yep.